We're going to kick off our birthday list on this 12th day of January with Wyatt Howard, who is 7 strong. Wyatt's down in Stella, Missouri. Happy birthday wishes coming to you from Mom, Sean, Bailey, and Caden.
And we have Axel Dyke, 8 years old in Thayer, Kansas. Love Grandma and Grandpa Leon and Uncle Sergio.
All right, Maddie Miller is celebrating birthday number 13. Welcome to the teenage years, Maddie in Seneca, Missouri. Happy birthday from Dad, Mom, Emma, Chief, and Nanny.
Weston Harris in Jasper, Missouri is celebrating his 14th birthday today. Happy birthday, Weston.
All right, in Lamar, Elijah Morrison celebrating birthday number 14.
And Dakota Tyree, 21, the big 2-1, over there in Scammon, Kansas. Congratulations and happy birthday to you.
All right, and Sarah Tyree celebrating birthday number 96. That's a cool little illustration there. Sarah is in Columbus, and this is Dakota's great-grandmother.
How neat that they share a birthday. All right, let's take it John Hutto in Crestline, Kansas, having a birthday today. Happy birthday to you, John.
In Columbus, and Teely, happy birthday to you.
And Gail Moody turns 80 years old today in Frontenac. Happy birthday to you, Gail.
It's a fun picture there. And Doris Cheney celebrating birthday number 85 in Iola, Kansas. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
And a very, very special birthday today. Emma Hartsfeld is turning 100 today, and she is a resident at Carrington Place in Pittsburgh. So happy, happy birthday to Emma.
All right, and he's not quite to 100, but he is getting up there in years. This is our good friend, James Mast, our KOAM commercial producer. We love seeing you in the mornings, James. Hope you have a wonderful birthday today.
And we have a few other birthdays. Shirley Scott from Scammon, Kansas, having a birthday today.
Courtney Sire in Columbus, happy birthday to you.
And Paul Hutsey, 95. In Pittsburgh this morning. Happy birthday to you, Paul.
All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, all you have to do is send them to either of those two emails, or you can mail them to us as well. Birthdays, don't forget the S at KOAMTV.com, or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com. And please, if you want your birthday to show up on the day it's scheduled to air, which would be the day of their birthday, you need to get it in a day or two in advance, please. If you miss the deadline, we do have some strong deadlines on these. If it's Monday through Thursdays, you got to get it in by 3 p.m. the day before. And if it's a Monday birthday, you got to get it in by 1 on Friday, just so we can get them done.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that we get everybody's birthday.
Give us 2 days in advance. We'll get it to you just in time. Hey, but when you're submitting those, you can go somewhere else.
Yeah, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club for going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. A great little birthday gift there. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club, and be sure to do it today.